In this video, we are going to learn how you can edit your audio in Audacity. So we are going to see all the options of cut, copy, paste, edit. So we have all the shortcuts right here as well. But let's say if I recorded a clip and there is some extra space on the starting point. Let's play it. Hey everyone. So the clip actually starts from here. So I want to get rid of this white space. Let's select this whole part and let's press Ctrl X. Hold the Control key, press X, and it is the short key to cut the extra part. You can view all of these shortcuts on the edit menu. If I want to undo the cut, Ctrl Z, redo cut, Ctrl Y, and the normal shortkeys are Ctrl X for cut, Ctrl K to delete. So you can view all of them. So these are all special keys as well to, silence the audio, trim audio, and something like this. And if you want to set up your own shortkeys, I'll go to the edit preferences, and under here you can define the shortkeys actually. So let's say if I want to split the clip, I'll write here split, and by default the split key is Ctrl I. But if it's convenient for you, let's say I want to denote it as N. So I'll change this one to, let's say, M. So I'll select this right here, M, and set it. So you must see the shortcut key defined here. And once it is defined here, you can simply click OK. And now let's try. Now, if I want to split this clips between the two halves, I'll press the M key here. Just move the cursor to that specific point, and then to create the split, press M, and then you can move that other part of the clip anywhere around. So this is how you do it. Now let's get rid of this and let's move to the standard clip. Now this is our clip. Let's say I want to keep only this part or only this part of the clip, and I want to get rid of all the rest on this particular audio. So I'll use this special shortkeys here. I'll go to this trim audio outside the selection. So whatever is in the selection, it will keep it and it will trim out all the outside audio in this clip. So let's click on it and actually see the purpose. So as you can see that it remained only the selected part and it got rid of all the rest of the part. So let's press Ctrl Z to undo, and let's see the other option right here. For example, you have set something extra here that doesn't need to be there, but you also don't want to cut it. Why? Because it will join the audio to the next one. So let's say you just want to make this part silence. So let's select that particular clip and click on this silence audio selection. Now you also have this shortkey of Ctrl L here. Let me just highlight this shortkey right here. So click here and it will make this part silent. Now, if you want to see all the cut, copy, paste options here in the quick access toolbar or quick shortkeys toolbar, I can go to edit, and in the toolbar, I can add those. Right now I can see the transport toolbar. So let's say if I don't want it, you can just get rid of it. So this was something in the starting. Let's actually enable this. So you can move all of these parts like this as well. So let's say if I want to keep it to the starting, then I can keep it these keys, keep this one right here, and then finally I can paste this one right here. All right, now let's say I'll go to the view and toolbars, and here I want to see the cut, copy, paste toolbar. So I can click check, and now you can see all of this special area. This involves cut, copy, and paste option right here. And you also have the delete area where you can delete the particular audio. Similarly, you will use and see some more options here if you want to use them. Now let's say if I create a split from the M key, and let's copy this clip, Ctrl C, or you can also use this option here. And now I'll place the cursor here and click on paste. So it will copy and paste the clip like this. So that's pretty much it. Just practice these, and then we will move to the next topic.